Hello everyone. So today is a very special day. Why? Because I'm taking not one but two of my Chickie ladies to the high school, and I decided to give you guys a little behind the scenes look at what it takes for me to prepare the Chickie ladies for travel. Now, if you know anything about me, you already know that I am all about doing things on a budget. So everything, absolutely everything that you see here, I got it all from Five Below. So by all means, if you got Chickie ladies and you want to take a little short road trip with them, these are some of the things that you need. And when I say short, I mean short, like I'm literally only going 3 miles from the farm. But check out what I got. So up first, I have a pet carrier. So, and as you can see, I have the newspaper in there because, hey, your Chickie ladies might have to go to the bathroom, okay? And while granted, I could go on Amazon and get the Chickie lady diapers, but they already be wearing clothes. I don't want to overwhelm them. But yes, it has plenty of breathable space so my Chickie ladies can see. And because I'm taking not just one, but two, I have another bag that I just got from Five Below as well. Check out this other bag. Ooh, look at this bad boy right here. Ow. So this is a cat carrier. Something else that I got from Five Below. I usually bring like a bigger saucer for their water, but it popped out and look what it says, future influencer, because yes, I'm sorry, future influencer, because that's what they are. But yes, I'm gonna put this for Goldie, which is my larger Chickie baby. So yeah, that way she can see all through there, and yeah, she can be on my back because she bigger than Lulu. She heavier too. These next two things I have for you, this is for when we get to the school. Now, I have one of those old school pushing shopping carts, which I laugh because my students were ever so creative the last go around and they turned that into Lulu's stroller. Lulu was strolling the hallways, y'all. It was hilarious. If they do it again this go around, I'll try to make sure I get a video of it. But I got a Playpen for them, so then that way when the Chickie ladies are not being, picked up and patted by the students, or the students are maybe nervous about picking them up, which is completely understandable. I don't force any student to do it. It's just more so about, I just want them to see it, to engage with it, to be like, hey, this is what it looks like before Harold's, KFC, Popeyes, and McDonald's get them. All right, this is where my eggs come from. So I have a little pop-up Playpen, and then I also, once again, for the poop, went ahead and got like a little doggy potty training thing. I have some of this fake grass in my Chickie ladies coop, so they are well aware of this. So just, Lulu is actually fairly trained in the sense of, I didn't actually do it. She just came that way. She's a smart Chickie. But if someone's holding her, she will not poop. She will like actually fuss and kind of be like, hey, let me down. And then she'll find a corner. Generally, I put paper in certain areas in the classroom that I'm in, and she'll go over there and then she'll, pop a squat. Goldie, this is the first time Goldie is traveling, so we shall see what Goldie will do this go round. But all these things I got from Five Below, and this is what it takes when I travel with my Chickie babies to the school. And now I have my girls all ready to go to school.